Alright, Kylo. So we're here again with the really big dogs. There's two of them. They're right there. They're eating a bunch of apples. What do you think, Kylo? Is it pretty crazy to have dogs that are that big? You trying to fit in with them? You need some grass? Your brother went inside. He said it's hot. But Kylo likes the big dogs. Those are really big dogs. Kylo's like, yeah, it's pretty cool. Maybe I'll be friends with him someday. Big dogs? More reasonably sized dog. That's right. Wait, is that oh, it's a leaf that keeps touching you. Very mysterious.